Here we have a 68 plate BMW 320d M Sport Shadow Edition. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and with the blue M Sport brake calipers. We have the grey exterior paintwork, LED daytime running headlights, we have the two gloss black front kidney grills, gloss black front splitter as well, part of the full M Performance kit which this vehicle has. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll find we have the second alloy wheel, yet again unmarked. We have the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles, black door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top we have the shark fin antennae, along with the gloss black rear spoiler, which sits nice and aggressive. We have the rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. We also have the rear diffuser with a twin pipe exhaust, as you can see just down there. Now we do have a button on the key remote, so if you press this button just here, the boot should pop open like so. And inside of here you find we have a decent amount of space, it goes quite far back. We've got the storage net on the left hand side, we can just pull that back closed like so. And walking back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Here's a look at another alloy wheel, and then taking a look at the interior. So inside of the back first, you find we have the black full leather interior, fixed ISO points back here. We also have the foldable armrest here in the centre. We have the vents down there for the rear passengers, electric windows on the doors. And if we take a look at the front, you find we have the same full leather interior, and both the front seats are heated. There's a quick look at them. Premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors, electric windows, tri-lock for the rear. We have the grey stitching as well throughout the vehicle. Automatic lights, automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, you find we have the dashboard here in front of us. If you put our foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up for us. We've got the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, speed limiter and the cruise controller just here on the left hand side. We've got the high beam assist as well, just there on that stalk. Steering wheel is heated, as you can see we've got the button just there to turn the heated steering wheel on. As you can see on the dashboard we are free from any warning lights. If you do press the button for the steering wheel, you can see just there it activates or deactivates. We do have the main screen as well here in the centre. If any of the screens or lights are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. So we do have the sat nav, we have the shortcuts down here. Click onto the media, you find we have the radio stations. We also have plenty of other options such as the USB, Bluetooth audio and the CD player. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have the different drive modes, so we have the Eco Pro. We have Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus, which also has the Sport displays, which is a pretty cool feature to have. Further down from there you find we have the dual zone climate control, ice cold air conditioning, heated seats as well on either side, working as they should do, as you can see. We also have the cup holders inside of here. We have the automatic gearbox to put the car into reverse. You find we have the reversing camera with the rear parking sensors. We have the manual handbrake, a nice leather armrest in the centre, which can be opened up for more storage. We also have a USB port just inside of there. But that's all that I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.